Nick has $1,400, loses 50 a day, and plans to go on until he's broke. The table shows him losing $50 a day and continuing on. The table showing the rule y equals mx plus b, and also the now next rule, next equals now minus 50, still at 1,400. The two problems model how to find input and output. The first one being how much money will he have after a week, putting in 7 for x, doing negative 50 times 7 plus 1,400 to find the amount of money y he would have after a week, because there are 7 days in a week. And the next one, plugging in y to find x, $0 showing he's broke, so 0 equals negative 50x plus 1,400, and if you solve that, it would give you 28 days. Nick now has $1,000 and is losing a fifth every day. To show this, when you do next times now times 4/5 to get to the remaining amount instead of 1/5, still at 1,000 again. Also shown as y equals 1,000 times 4/5 x, y being total, 1,000 being the start, 4/5 being slope, x being growth. Table is showing each day minusing his money, losing a fifth of his money each day. And then the graph is discrete because he's not losing money in between days, he's losing it per day. Now for the questions, it's when we have less than $100, and for this you just have to enter the equation 1,000 times 4/5 to the x power, enter the y equals since you can't solve for x yet, and it's not 99, it's 85.89, and it turns out to be 11 days because you have to enter it to the y list. And then for the second one, at 10 days, how much money will he have? That you can just plug in everything normally. Plug in 10 for x, because that's the days. And then you can just solve for y. And then if you solve for y, you'll get...
I was asleep.
107.37 would be your answer.
In this problem, Jimmy Neutron's parents both want to give him allowances. His mom plans to give him $1 every chore. His dad plans to give him 25 cents at the start and double the amount he gives him every chore. In the table, I show his mom as Y1 and his dad as Y2, showing that with his dad, he's at 0 chores, he gets 25 cents and doubles after each chore. His mom starts at 0 because he doesn't give him any for doing 0 chores, and gives him $1 each time he does a chore. So at 27 chores, his mom will give him $27, while his dad will give him 3,3,5,5,4,4.
We've got about 3 minutes left.
$2. So in the end, his dad will give him more money on the 27th chore than his mom.